Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Virgos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Virgos. I'll be picking few cards for your daily energies and for your love energies, guys. And then I'll be giving the angels message at last. Virgos, with these cards, I feel you and your person, both of you were undecided about something. You had some, work related decisions to be made or regarding your relationship, and you have come to some, unity in your decision. You know what you want to do with your life. So there is good emotional mutual understanding between you all, and that love, affection and attraction is all there, and it is these positive vibrations are helping you move towards a long committed relationship, guys. Maybe this may be the time for you to think about marriage, guys, or your person is already thinking of marriage. They want committed relationship with you, and they are happy for how things are going in your life, with this new understanding they have with you. So they are really happy for it, and you feel that friendship, affection and intimacy in this relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you all Virgos, your person may be coming towards you with a gift to propose to you, or you may be going towards your person to propose to them. So that is the energy here, guys. Let us pick few more cards from the other deck. Let us see what is coming up. Let us see what is coming up, guys. Virgos. Virgos, with these cards, I feel you may be taking counsel of some friends or family or someone older than you from your family regarding this relationship, regarding the situation, what you want to do. Maybe regarding this marriage, you may be getting counsel from them, guys, and they are helping you out. They are strengthening your decision. That is what I see here, guys. And this person is is there. He has his own challenges, guys, and he is overcoming those challenges. Maybe this may be for some of you all. So that may be the reason that you are trying to come to some kind of accord in the situation in your relationship, because this person, maybe they are not financially well settled, or they are dealing with their own challenges. Maybe they have few choices to make in life to come towards you in this connection, guys. So for some of you all, that may be true. So friends or family, somebody is counseling them regarding the choices they have to make, or regarding the situation. So that is the energy here, guys. So they may be they want to come towards you, but certain things are obstructing their path, so they're little bit in that undecisive place, but they want to come towards you, they want to propose to you. So they may be taking suggestions about the choices they want to make to have that marriage, to have that happy relationship with you, guys. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do, guys. So let us pick one more card. Angels message, guys. Forgiveness. So forgiveness is our angel's message, what we need to do today. So in order to forgive ourselves and anybody who has caused the hurt, who is the reason for all that grudge and regret, resentment, we should give up all that negative energies, negative thoughts we have, and we should try to move on with our life, guys. When we forgive and forget about the past, whatever negative things that has happened in the past, we will open ourselves to healing. Our heart opens to healing, guys. When we do that, we will understand what is our goal in life and what we need to do to reach them. So the choices you are trying to make will be easier when you let go of your past and move on, guys. So that is the angel's message for today. So that is the reading, Virgos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye.